Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Synergy 17, and today I'm going to show you how to take an object and turn it into a zebra print. So first thing I want to do is grab some artwork. I'm going to grab something, I just like this dollar sign here. And what I want to do is I'm going to actually outline it, and then I'll also make a zebra print. So let's go ahead and do two different things. First thing I want to do is outline it a bit. So I'm going to outline it maybe 0.160, something like this, maybe a little bit smaller, 0.120. And all I want to do here is, since I want to outline, I don't want to put my outline right along this object. I actually want to put it a little further out, so that's why I chose this one. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to select the color. Let's do SS16, and let's do this reddish color here. This garnet. Okay, and I'm happy with the spacing here. I can go in here and change my spacing if I like, but I'm happy with where it's at, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. Now, what I don't need is I don't need that green anymore, so I can go over here and hold shift and click the color to select it, and I can move it out of the way. I could either delete it or move it out of the way, but I'm kind of done with it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit delete. Now, the red is still here, and I can leave it in place, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to actually take it, and I'm just going to move it out of the way as well. Whoops. I'll move it. Actually, it doesn't matter which way I go, but I want to work on this alone here. So what I want to do is, because I want that zebra pattern, I need to cut this up into pieces. I'm going to hit Alt S or turn off the fill right here, Alt S, so you can see that it's just line art here. And I'm going to select it, and I'm going to choose this here, and it's going to cut through the vector. So you draw whatever pattern you want. I'm going to come across down this way, and I'll go back up this way. Just going to make a pattern here. And when I hit apply, you'll see that it cut it up into pieces. So now all these pieces are actually separated. I'm going to hit Control Z to put it back, because you don't have to do that. And what I'm going to do is, just so for purposes of viewing, I'm going to click on this one, skip one, click this one, skip that one, and click this one here. And I'm going to change the color just so you can see that those three pieces are different. So what I want to do is I'm going to go over here and hold shift and hit the green again so I can select them all. And I want to make path. So now this is all one piece. Okay, I'm going to hit Shift Z Control Z just to go back again. And I also want to do the same thing to these three black pieces. I'm going to hold Shift and click on the black, and now it selects them. I'm going to say Arrange, Make Path. So now that's one piece. Okay, so I'm just kind of showing you that the pieces are together now. So what I want to do is, now I basically want to stone it. I'm going to click on the green one, go up here. I'm going to choose a color. This is something you can see on screen. Let me choose this blue, SS10, add that. And you can choose your fills. I'm just going to leave everything default, but you can choose your different type of fill, you can choose your spacing, and all this other things you can do. But I'm going to just leave it that way. Close that. I'm going to select the black one. Choose orange, SS10. I'll leave that alone too. And so now that I'm done with that, I don't need those lines anymore. So I'm going to hold shift and click on the black just so I can move it out of the way. I'm going to hold shift and click on this green one so I can move that all the way. I mean, you probably want to keep your artwork so you can use it again, but like I said, for sake of demo, I'm just going to delete it. I don't need it. And then here's my pieces. So I have that one for my outline. Hold shift and click the blue. I have that. So there's my three templates. And what it would look like if I put it all back together. I'm moving it around a little bit. Turn my fill back on. And I can throw a background on it. Make it black. And I hit Control B to move it to the back. And so that's a quick and easy way of making a zebra template, or a zebra pattern, not a template, but a zebra pattern. Is take your object, You don't have to do the outline. If you don't like the outline, you can get rid of it and just have your zebra pattern. But what you want to do is, I mean, you choose kind of how you want to look. You can choose the way the cut. So take your object, cut it, and then select every other one of them. And then what you're going to do at that point is stone one section, stone the next section, and that's about it. All right, hope you enjoyed that.